Today, we're going to get in motion by providing some conversation starters that will help you break the ice with potential new customers. I'll introduce you to 3 simple ways to approach people without seeming like a pushy salesperson. This will make it simple, natural, and fun. The first conversation starter is called Lead with Benefits. This approach builds on an important principle of human nature. Before people will act on almost anything, we will ask ourselves, what's in it for me? We like to call this principle WIFM for short. To lead with benefits, invert this concept and think about what's in it for me from the other person's perspective. How will they benefit by using the product or by participating in the opportunity? When you've already thought about the other person's benefits, you can take that information and use it as an icebreaker. The second approach, or icebreaker, is called I thought of you because. In this approach, you would tell them why they came to your mind. You might say, I thought of you because I'm excited about a new business that I'm launching, and I know that you want to be home with your kids more. Or, you're the most enthusiastic person I know. Or, I know you've been looking for some ways to make some extra income. Another thing you might say would be, I've got this new product that I'm loving, and I thought of you because I know you've been dealing with a lot of stress. Or, I know you're all about improving your performance on your bike. After that, I can talk about the benefits of using the products. If a friend is struggling with a health challenge, you might simply say, I've got something you should try. If you know they are passionate or very concerned about something in their life, you can think of a way the opportunity and/or product can benefit them with their passion. Bob, I know you're interested in weight management, and I've got a product you should try. Or, Sally, I know you've had some unexpected bills the last couple of months. I've got an idea on how you could potentially supplement your income to get you back on top of your finances. Now, the third approach is called Let's Do It Together. You might say something like, I'm doing something really fun, and we should do it together. It can be doing a weight loss challenge, being healthy, or making money. Or better yet, it can be all 3. People love coming together to work on some aspect of their life together with others that they care about. Here are the approaches one more time. 1. Lead with benefits. Remember WIFM. What's in it for me from their perspective? 2. I thought of you because. And 3. Let's do it together.